Have you ever dreamed of visiting Austria? Well, let's make that dream a reality. Picture yourself surrounded by Austria's stunning landscapes, steeped in rich history and immersed in vibrant culture. Imagine strolling through the opulent rooms of Schonbrunn Palace, soaking up the lively atmosphere in Vienna city center, and being serenaded by the timeless tunes of classical music. Venture into the Serene Salzkammergut region, where mountains kiss the sky and crystal-clear lakes reflect the beauty of nature. Pay homage to the musical genius of Mozart in his native city Salzburg, and relive the iconic scenes from The Sound of Music. Experience the enchanting village of Hallstatt, where every corner is a postcard view. Feel the adrenaline rush of paragliding in the Majestic Alps and satiate your taste buds with Austria's irresistible culinary scene. Ready to embark on this Austrian journey? Buckle up as we start our adventure in the heart of the country, Vienna. Picture this, a grand palace surrounded by stunning gardens, a place where history and beauty intertwine. Welcome to the Schonbrunn Palace and Gardens. This magnificent Baroque palace, once the summer residence of the Habsburg monarchs, whispers stories of a bygone era. Its halls echo with the footsteps of emperors and empresses, and its walls are adorned with art that captures the essence of its regal past. Stepping outside, we are greeted by sprawling gardens, a testament to the palace's commitment to harmonizing architecture and nature. Here, the meticulous landscaping and the intricate maze take us on a journey through time. Every corner of the garden holds a surprise. Whether it's a hidden statue or a stunning view of the palace, this remarkable site is not just an emblem of Austria's grandeur. It's also a UNESCO World Heritage Site, a testament to its universal value. Leaving this royal residence behind, we find ourselves in the bustling center of Vienna. This place, with every winding street and towering structure, narrates tales from the distant past, reflecting centuries of architectural prowess. Take, for instance, St. Stephen's Cathedral, a stalwart of Gothic architecture, standing strong since the 12th century. Not far from here, the Hofburg Palace bears the mark of Vienna's imperial history. The city's museums are no less impressive, showcasing everything from ancient Egyptian artifacts to the latest contemporary art. The Belvedere Palace, hosting the world's largest collection of works by Gustav Klimt, is certainly worth a visit for art lovers. Vienna, however, is not just rooted in its past. It's a city pulsating with life activity. Notably, its cafe culture is quite exceptional. Be it a classic coffee house or a sleek espresso bar, the coffee experience here is uniquely Viennese. Leaving the bustling streets of Vienna, we then venture into the tranquil scenes of Salzkammergut. Imagine a haven of tranquil lakes and majestic mountains. Welcome to Salzkammergut. This pristine paradise is a feast for the senses, a symphony of nature's best, a place where time seems to stand still. Tucked away in the heart of Austria, Salzkammergut offers you an escape into its emerald green lakes, cradled by towering alpine peaks. Here, the air is crisp and clean. The vistas are breathtaking, and the silence is only broken by the occasional chirping of birds. But there's more to Salzkammergut than its natural splendor. This region is dotted with quaint, traditional Austrian villages, where you can immerse yourself in a slower pace of life. Imagine waking up to the smell of freshly baked bread, strolling through cobbled streets and enjoying hearty local meals. For the adventurous, Salzkammergut offers a plethora of outdoor activities, from hiking and biking to boating and swimming. Loving the journey so far? Check out the links in the description for more on these amazing spots. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more travel adventures. Let's keep exploring together. Now let's move over to Salzburg, the city of Mozart, and the iconic setting for the classic film The Sound of Music. Here the air hums with melodies and the cobblestone streets echo not just with a rich musical history that's impossible to ignore, but also with the scenes from the beloved movie. Salzburg, the birthplace of Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart, one of the most influential and prolific composers of the classical era, holds another jewel in its cultural crown with The Sound of Music. Here you'll find Mozart's birthplace and residence transformed into museums, where you can trace the genius's life from his early childhood to his profound musical legacy. Additionally, you can revisit the enchanting places where the timeless musical was filmed. And no visit to Salzburg would be complete without experiencing the Salzburg Festival, an annual celebration of music drama founded by Hugo Wolf. This event brings together artists from around the world, presenting an array of performances from opera to contemporary drama. Salzburg is not a city, it's a symphony. It's a place where you're invited to be a part of the music, to feel the rhythm, and to immerse yourself in its rich cultural tapestry, including its cinematic heritage. From the melodious notes and memorable film locations of Salzburg, we journey to the picturesque village of Hallstatt, a postcard-perfect village that will take your breath away. Nestled between the serene Hallstatt Lake and the towering Dockstein Mountains, this charming village is a sight to behold. Its pastel-colored, centuries-old buildings reflect beautifully off the lake's surface, creating a scene that's nothing short of magical. But there's more to Hallstatt than just its picturesque beauty. The village is steeped in history, most notably its unique salt mines. In fact, the name Hallstatt is derived from the Celtic term hall, meaning salt. These mines, which are thousands of years old, have shaped the village's culture and economy, making it a fascinating place to delve into the past. Take a leisurely stroll along the tranquil lake, explore the ancient salt mines, or simply soak in the enchanting atmosphere. Whatever you do, Hallstatt promises to leave a lasting impression. Time to depart from this scenic village to experience the thrill of the Austrian Alps, the heart of Austria's natural beauty. This mountainous region is undeniably a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. Here, you will find landscapes that are nothing short of breathtaking, from towering snow-capped peaks to serene valleys filled with wildflowers. The Alps offer a wealth of hiking trails, ranging from gentle strolls through verdant meadows to challenging climbs up rocky mountain slopes. But the adventure doesn't stop there. For those seeking an adrenaline rush, the Austrian Alps provide the perfect setting for paragliding. Imagine soaring high above the mountains, your heart pounding as you take in the spectacular views from a bird's-eye perspective. Whether you're a seasoned hiker or a thrill-seeker, the Austrian Alps promise an unforgettable adventure. So strap on your hiking boots or gear up for a flight, and let's dive into this exhilarating journey. Finally, let's step into the delicious world of Austrian cuisine. Austrian food is hearty, delectable, and diverse, reflecting the country's rich cultural tapestry. Take, for instance, the Wiener Schnitzel, a breaded and fried veal cutlet that is a culinary icon. Or the Sacher Torte, a dense chocolate cake layered with apricot jam, a sweet symbol of Vienna's café culture. Speaking of café culture, it's not just about the coffee. It's about taking time to enjoy life, often accompanied by a slice of apple strudel or a delicate pastry. This is a tradition deeply ingrained in Austrian society, a delightful pause in the hustle and bustle of the day. And let's not forget about Austria's wineries. Nestled in picturesque landscapes, particularly in the renowned wine regions of Wachau, Burgenland and Styria. These vineyards produce world-class wines. The common types like the crisp, refreshing Gruner Veltliner or the rich, full-bodied Blaufränkisch offer a testament to the country's viticultural prowess. These wines, from the crisp whites to the full-bodied reds, perfectly complement Austria's hearty cuisine. Austria's culinary scene is a medley of flavors and experiences, each one a testament to its cultural heritage and love for good food. After this gastronomic tour, it's time to wrap up our adventure. Let's recap the highlights of our Austrian journey. We initiated our expedition at the majestic Schonbrunn Palace and Gardens, a monumental symbol of Austria's illustrious history. Then ventured into the vibrant Vienna city center, a place where modern life and charm come together in a unique blend. Our adventure continued to the tranquil Salzkammergut region by the harmonious city of Salzburg. We stopped a picture-perfect moment in the idyllic village of Hallstatt and went on a thrilling escapade in the Austrian Alps. Our gastronomic journey explored the tantalizing world of Austrian cuisine. Austria, a nation booming with diverse attractions, has been our travel canvas. We hope this video has provided you with a sneak peek into its many wonders.